In this quick video, I am going to be showing you how to change the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. First, navigate to File, New, Sequence and click on Sequence or press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard. This will open up a new window. Navigate to Settings in this window. Once in the Settings tab, you should see the Video section. This is where you can change the aspect ratio settings for your project. If you know the aspect ratio, enter it in. If you don't, simply go to Google. Now let's say you want the TikTok video aspect ratio. Simply search for TikTok canvas size. As you can see that TikTok canvas size is 1080 by 1920. Change the frame size to 1080 by 1920 and hit OK. Now if you are already halfway through editing your project and realize that you forget to use the correct aspect ratio, but don't fret, because you can actually change the aspect ratio for an entire sequence. Go to Sequence and click on Auto Reframe Sequence. In this new window, you can see Target Aspect Ratio. You can change these settings however you like. Once you have picked a new ratio and adjusted your settings, Premiere Pro will do an excellent job of keeping everything within your project well centered and in the frame. But keep in mind that this process is not perfect and your project may need adjustments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials and leave a comment below if you have any questions.